So this is the Ace Motel in Princeton. Your ordinary motel. It was pretty good, very clean, improvement over last night, but the mirror needs to be higher. You can basically see up to your nipples, and that's about it, without bending down. All right, we're off for breakfast, and then somewhere special. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Blue Marble Riders. We're just leaving Princeton. Just had a lovely breakfast. We're off to somewhere a little special today, and I'm going to keep that a secret. Two-day camping site with a little activity going on around it. So yeah, that's our goal. Got to fill up with some gas before I go. Had a nice evening yesterday in the Ace Cafe. Sorry. Had a nice night last night in the Ace Hotel, or should I say motel. Not as exciting as it sounds. That's Thomasina's. Really nice breakfast there in Princeton. Penticton, I nearly said. Princeton, if you're around. Very quiet place, I'll tell you. Friday night, I took a picture. There was absolutely nothing going on at, I don't know, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. Nothing. It was like the zombie apocalypse had hit. Yeah, we got to fill up with some gas. I'll show you the Ace. We're just the other side of the big Princeton sign there. I wish it was the Ace Cafe, but it was actually the Ace Motel. Not a bad old place to stay, just nothing to do with motorcycles. We were the only one there. Only criticism, as I probably said this morning, there it is, was the mirror was a little too short. And it's great if you are a short person, but I couldn't see anything above my nipples in the mirror unless you squat right down. So there's a little personal detail for you. I'm only 6 foot. Not as if I'm a monster. I think I can go in here. I could probably do it across here like this. If they have some air, I may put some in. Not sure what that is. I don't really want to get in it. There we go. So we're passing through a place called Manning Park. It's quite high, it's quite nice, it's quite beautiful, lots of peaks, and lots of camping spots here. There's one right there. I will keep you abreast of developments. Okay, Blue Marble Riders, here we are. We're at the special event we were talking about. There's Mount Baker over there, it's a volcano. But that's not why we're here. We're here to do a bit of camping, and if you're observant, you'll probably figure out from the sign coming up that we are at the Abbotsford International Air Show. Apparently there's a white tent we're looking for. This is so cool. Took us a while to get in here. We've been pounding along at ridiculous speeds, and then managed to miss most of the traffic through some mysterious navigation. This is it here, Campground Office. Hi.
You know them, or you?
Here for camping, yeah.
I said, do you know him?
Oh, do I know him? No.
Okay. We need your thing.
You can pull off to this side too.
Okay. So here we are. This is going to be our spot. I think I'll give us some privacy maybe here. How's that?
Perfect. This is shady. You can put the tent right under there.
There's a pit special doing some really fun stuff up there. And that's what I think of you. Thank you, my subscribers. The Thunderbirds did that just for you.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.